So now, hold thy breath as the first team for the 10th SMIA takes stage, an initiator of scientific e-waste management in the country, presented by Eco Recycling Limited. Their team consisting of Mr. B.K. Soni, Chairman and MD, Mr. Anand Thakur, Senior Manager, Business Development, Mr. Mukram Ali, Senior Manager, Business Development, Mr. Shashank, Manager, Sourcing, and Mr. Anuj Maheshwari, Senior Manager, Business Development, who I'd now like to invite on stage to present the case.
I am Anuj Maheshwari and I am representing Eco Recycling Limited. So to start the case, the challenges or the problems in the beginning was the sector was hugely dominated by the unorganized sector, the kabadiwalas or the scrap vendors we often call. We are all accustomed to hand over all our discarded and redundant items, equipment, material to the scrap vendor section, to the kabadiwalas, without even wondering what exactly they do with it. So that was the big challenge. There was lack of awareness, there was no support from government in terms of land, tax exemption, subsidies of that sort. But the major challenge was the mindset towards environment, the lack of awareness, and a goal to achieve that. So the opportunity that Ecoreco saw at that point of time was the market, the potential that it has, absence of scientific recycling in the country, and the quantum of EVs that is available. The rapid evolution in technology ensured that this particular quantum grew. It was a time now when we have to reach out to the mass by way of association with NGOs, by way of reaching out to educational institutions, industrial visits. And this was a significant move, launching e-waste awareness drives. So annually, every year, Ecoreco conducts an e-waste awareness drive for a span of one week, wherein the team reaches out with the setup to various locations across city, demonstrating the mass about the e-waste recycling process. So this made a good impact. Apart from this, we approached to CSR wings of corporates to raise awareness amongst the employees. We were in touch with NGOs right since starting to reach out to the unregulated market. We are still in touch with over 30 NGOs, though it does not really add to the top line, but it definitely helps us to change the mindset towards the environment. The path ahead, though we are moving ahead, we are setting up a lot of facilities for the clients to implement, to comply with the rules, whatever are mentioned in the rules. We are in international tie-ups with technology and knowledge collaboration. But in a nutshell, it's like an Arvind Kejriwal taking up an initiative, and then like-minded people joining hands with the initiative and making it a bigger one. So it's more or less on the same note. So before I say thank you, I would just like to say that this is not a product that we enter into an existing sector. We did not enter with a bike or a car in an automobile industry or a product in the FMCG sector, wherein the growth can be measured in terms of numbers of products sold. Here we have created a new sector, a new industry itself. So the impact here, the effectiveness here cannot be measured by the figures or the statistics, but the value that has been added, the impact that has been made on the overall canvas of e-waste recycling in India. So with this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you so much for your time and patience.